Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrin. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some interesting topics. So let me first start by talking about a very popular ingredient these days, which is called the salicylic acid, which is also famous by the name BHA. Now this is an ingredient which plays a very important role in the skincare and is currently one of the best ingredients scientifically. Salicylic acid is an active which has the power to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. It also purifies pores and removes dead skin cells. It can penetrate deep into your skin to unclog your pores. It can break down pimples or acne and also has the power to reduce sebum secretion as well as redness. It also helps in preventing blackheads or breakouts, which improves the appearance of your skin. And these were some of the many good reasons why this ingredient right now is a very much talked about ingredient, because it has so many amazing benefits. Personally, I feel that everyone should incorporate this ingredient into their skincare regime, especially someone who is coming from a combination or oily skin kind. Even dermats, for that matter, suggest people with acne prone or oily skin to add salicylic acid into their skincare regime. So today let me introduce you guys to one such skincare product which has this miraculous ingredient. I am talking about one of the newest launched by L'Oreal. I'm talking about the L'Oreal Paris Revitalize Crystal Gel Cream. This product out here is my latest addition to the Crystal range that I'm already using and loving so far for my skin. I love using the products from the Crystal range on a daily basis for my skincare. I was really happy with the Crystal Micro Essence and now I'm looking forward to its launch in India. Now the wow factor of this gel cream is that it has the miraculous ingredient salicylic acid, and it is the only product currently in India which has salicylic acid in their ingredients list. I don't think there is any other product or skincare item in the market right now in India which has this ingredient in their product. And this is why I was so excited for this particular launch here in India. I have sweared by the Crystal Micro Essence and I have been using it for more than a year now, and I'm really going to continue using it even further. So now let me quickly get into the details of this beautiful product over here. So this is a water-based oil-free formulation that helps in locking moisture without building up on excess oil that would eventually lead to breakout. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Basically the skin has tiny holes which are known as pores. One releases sweat and other releases sebum, which is body's natural oils. Now oily skin is more prone to acne and pores, so the cream is especially suitable for those who have combination to oily skin. This crystal gel cream can penetrate up to 10 layers deep, deeply refining, purifying and minimizing pores for crystal clear skin. And also it can control oil for up to 8 hours. This one provides 24-hour hydration and shine control for crystal clear skin. This is a complete oil-free formula and I love using it every morning and every night after I have a cleansed face, and this has been giving me amazing results so far. This product is dermatologically tested. This one is validated and endorsed by the famous dermatologist Dr. Ofella. Now in case you don't know who the renowned Dr. Ofella is, she is the highly experienced award-winning consultant dermatologist with expertise in general and cosmetic dermatology. Dr. Ofella combines her in-depth understanding of skin and hair with the most advanced cosmetic treatments to achieve a more youthful appearance for all her patients. Also, let me mention that this product over here is completely paraben-free, colorants, synthetic dyes, and is also non-comedogenic. This gel cream is available in 2 sizes. We have a 50 ml one which retails for Rs 299, and we also have The 50 ml one, which is this one, which retails for rupees 699. You can check my description box for all the necessary links if you are interested in this beautiful product over here. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. And do check out my description box for all the necessary links. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more such content. And if you want exclusive content from me, then please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticalimran. I'm very active and I post exclusive content which you won't find here on YouTube. So I'll be seeing you guys with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.